watching the first 48, the new season. I was like, oh, let me check it out. Right? You know what I'm saying? It was Gwinnett County. And I'm like, okay. Next show, Gwinnett County.
Gwinnett County.
Third episode was Gwinnett County. I'm like, you know what? This is Zone 8.
Zone 8. Now, how you throw that up, bitch? How you throw Zone 8
Zone
up?
8, you just gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? Shit, 4 and 4. They got 4 and 4.
Oh, 4 and 4. Bitch, I didn't even know what fingers make 8. I was confused.
I was like this.
Yeah. I didn't even know what fingers make 8. I was confused.
I was like this.
Yeah.
It's the fact that he did it again. Yeah, that was too funny.
She said a pervert call. That's hilarious.
Did y'all hear her? She said a pervert call. And he did it again. Y'all pull up on me tomorrow at the Bar ATL. Y'all already know what it is. It's going down.